Hi, this tutorial will show you how to edit the hire page and gallery. So first, we need to log into the administration page of the SSL production website. So type in WP admin on your browser or your domain, and within that type in the wp-admin, or you can type in wp-login.php. So you should first use the wp-admin, then you will be automatically directed to this page. So now we'll log into the SSL administration. So type in the username given by the bird dog and the password. The credentials will be provided to you by bird dog. So okay, we're now in the dashboard or admin section of the SSL production website. So first, let me show you what these are. So this is the main dashboard of the website, like the administration page, and this is on the left side. These are the menus containing the information and configuration of your website. So all the pages that have you will be seen on your website will be on the pages. Uh, okay, so we click the pages. So as you can see, this is all the pages that is on your website. See the home page, the about page, booking, contact us, etc. Okay, see. So let's first I will show you how to edit the main menu. So if you want to rearrange or the position of the menu, then you can. So let's quickly have a look on that. So go to appearance, menus. So on the menu section, so as you can see, here are all the menus. You can sort them out by just dragging them if you want. So let's say for example, you have added a new page on this area. It will automatically appear here. As you can see, these are the pages. If not, then you can just check to view all the pages here. Then would you be able to add this one? Uh, Click or check this one, then just click the add menu. So it will automatically add to the menus. As you can see, here it goes, gallery and the hard page. So we will not be adding them because we already added them here. If you just want, you can just play with yourself here. So once you're done, just click the save menu. So okay, so let's go to the hard page. We will edit the hard page. So let's see first the content on the hard page. So as you can see, we have the slider here and the content, the first heading, the second heading, and the third or the main description of the hard page. So let's go first. So on our slider, we have only images, but we don't have any content yet. So I will show you how to edit that. First, I will be showing you first where the hard page is. So as I said, all pages in your website are on pages. So click on pages. So on the pages, click on the hard page, or as you can see, if you hover the page or the list of the pages, it will show you the edit, quick edit, crush, and view. So let's edit the hard page. So this is the heart page. Click edit. You can also edit all the other pages if you want. So this is the heart page. Okay, so on the heart page, please disregard these codes if you don't know HTML programming on heart. So this is all the codes containing the information on the heart page. So as we can see again, we have the main heading goes here, the secondary heading goes here, easy hello, and something like description in here. So as you can see, between this code, there we have the text called the main heading goes here, which is this is the main heading. So this is already the text in here. You can change this if you want, something like this, or this is my heading, something like that. And also on, let's say, this is my main heading instruction. You see, main instruction goes here. So same as secondary heading. Secondary heading instruction goes here. So these are the description. You can also type in whatever you want. So e.g. like another information. Just something like this. Okay, so let's save our description for instruction. Okay, so just click update. So once the website is once the page is updated, then okay, so it's now updated. So let's have a look on the heart page. So on your browser, click the refresh button. For me, I'm using the Google Chrome. So as you can see, already the instruction goes here. Secondary head instruction goes here, and this description for instruction already we have added on the description. So okay, next we will be editing the slider content. I mean the slider here. So how would you be able to do this? So let's go back to your admin area. Okay, on the left menu, right click on the BX slider. So right click on the BX slider. As you can see, we have the BX slider for Harpage. So this is the BX slider for the homepage. So if we point our mouse here again, then you will see the edit, quick edit, trash, something like that. So first click the Harpage or edit the Harpage for the BX slider. So we're now editing the Harpage slider. So okay. Just wait a second. So here it is. As you can see, there's already images I added here. So let's say for example, it's only empty, so that you know how to be able to add a content. So okay, let's close. So how will you be able to add images? So let's go first, add images as a slide, or you can add a slide. Add images as a slide. You can select multiple images to automatically add here. Add slider, you can only select one. So we'll use the images. So we will be selecting the images. So okay, hold down the control on your keyboard and click the selected check the images you wanted to select while holding the control on your keyboard. So once you have selected, then you can also unselect if you want. Okay, so once you have selected at on this part, just click the add images as a slide. So once you have clicked that, it will automatically add the images on the slide. So okay, we have already images here. Okay, once we have added, then let's say for example we will be adding a caption or a what we call description of the slide. So let's say for example the first images we'll be adding first this is this is the title. You can just copy paste this one so that you know how it works or how to use this one. This is the main title or heading. So this is the heading. This you should need to put that between these codes or HTML code. So once you have added that, then we'll be putting out the description your main description for this slide. Okay, thank you. So let's say for example we'll be saving this slide, so click update. So once you're done updating this once you're done updating the website, then let's have a closer look on the hire page. So once it's successfully added, then we show you on the hire page. So click the refresh button on your browser. Okay. So as you can see, we have already this setting for the first slide, the main description. As you can see, the 3 slides don't have yet a description. So I will leave the other slides for you to add a content for that. So or oh sorry, maybe I will just add it, then you can edit the content. So I will be copying this one. Paste. Execution. Third slide. Well, we'll just name it slide. Second slide. Sorry, this part. Okay, we have the third slide. So the fourth slide. Okay, then we click the update again so that we can see the images or the slide description and the home page for each images. So let's see, we have already updated. Sorry, updating done. So click again to refresh on your browser. So once you have refreshed, then we have the second slide description.